Hey guys, here's a Harbor Reese Builder's Best with the light kit. I was going to take this down, but I decided I'd do a video of the light kit. Looks neat with the light kit, so I put an LED bulb in it. So here's a light. It's an LED bulb in it. It's my first time wiring a fan with a light without a remote receiver or a wall control. Here's low. Looks like a builder fan, but looks a little bit generic for what it is. Takes a little bit for it to get up to speed. Now, my Nana's old house in Falmouth used to have a Halsey, and it had a round globe light kit and a single light fitter, and it had these. And if I find a round globe, that would look cool on this. Round globes, fans with round globes look really cool. Here's low. Move up to medium. And here's the light. Medium with the light. Here's high speed. Wobbles a little on high speed because one of the blades could have been bent, so it can easier, more convenient access to get the blades off. It's like how the Will Howell has one of these, but in black. But which his former channel was called the Fan Guy 21. But it is pretty wobbly. Let's go airflow test. Just feel some air from it. Let's turn on the light. And spin down. Now it does look pretty neat with the light kit. Hold on, I'll find a Casablanca light kit for the Panama, because a spotlight would be really cool on the Panama. Look good in a video game studio where you play video games. A spotlight would be really cool. Spot. Actually, I should do spin down with the light on since I added a light kit. Just had the end of it. Spin down with the light kit. At Fanimation. But sometimes with the light off, turns the light off. Sometimes to get better light. Look. And I'd like to find a round globe for this fan, because a round globe would be really cool. Still going. This thing takes a long time. It's almost as longer as the Emerson Pro Series. And the motor housing for Emerson Pro Series, Fanimation Edgewood Standard, or a Harbor Reese Builder's Best, and a Regency thing, those motor housings look similar. I don't know about the Hampton Bay Huntington. May look different. Trim. Okay, thanks for watching.